And welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, this and that, that and this, you're on the wrong stream, guys. But if you're looking to learn about trading these forex markets the right way, and of course if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Big day ahead of us. NFP, non-farm payrolls, big red folder. Expect some volatility, expect some movement, but most importantly, before I share my charts with you guys, any risks that you take upon yourself. Risk management is everything when it comes to trading. It's not just forex trading, but it's any type of trading. If you don't have risk management, there's no way you're gonna even sustain within these markets, okay? I don't want anyone telling me after the session, I lost my account, I did this, I did that. Use the right risk management, man. Any trades that you guys take, you'll take upon yourself. All right, so now that I've put that out of the way, make sure you're not risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to just share my screen with you guys real quick. Okay. Good morning, you guys. What's up? How's it going? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Let's head into the weekend. Let's end strong today. Even if that means that you guys are going to be taking smaller trades, it's all good, all right? Because trading news within itself is an art, you guys. Trust me when I say that, okay? So here's US 30 and here's Nasdaq. I'll tell you guys my bias closer to market, closer to the news release, but this is what we're looking at, all right? This is what we're looking at. Let's see if we want to we're having a little bit of an impulse right now. We're having a drop over here. This is gold. We're just sideways trading within gold. As you guys can see, my one-on-ones, you guys know what I'm talking about. We have a nice little pole over here, and now we're basically just trading sideways. We want to break either or and pretty much get the move. I actually like Nasdaq today, you guys. Straight up. I like Nasdaq. I like the way Nasdaq is looking. Let's see. This may be a pre-news move. In case it wants to happen and you want to consider this an impulse, go ahead and do that, all right? There are 37 seconds to go. Consider that an impulse. Make sure this closes in the box, however, and if it does, then knock yourself out and consider it an impulse, okay? How are you guys doing? Who's excited for NFP? For how many of y'all is this going to be the first NFP with us here at Forex Trading? For how many of you guys is this going to be the first one? Okay, look at that. That's my first one. Okay, we've got quite a few first timers over here. Please, guys, don't be gold. Don't be over leveraging on your accounts, okay? I'm letting you all know now. Can you explain shortly what is NFP? NFP stands for non-farm payrolls. It's basically everything that's non-agricultural. It's an indication, and it's a very strong indication of the economy, all right? So look at that drop right now. It happens. I told you guys this could be a pre-news move. If you guys are in on this, is anyone in on the dirty right now? If you were in on it, you caught a nice 7-8 pip move. It happens every Friday. Sorry, on the first Friday of every month, and it's an extremely volatile folder. You can expect a good amount of volume push in for NFP. Okay, gold picked up support from demand, boom, pushed right back up. How long are you preparing for NFP, Cram? We've been working on it all week, brother. Literally since Monday. Finding some nice key levels. because it's an extremely volatile folder, right? It's not one of those that you can just sit down, do the top down, and expect it to be right. Okay, let's take a look at the EMAs real quick. All right, all checking out. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Let's look at these as well. Same story. Did you guys see my post on success stories? CashFX freaking nailed London, and I was in on a trade. I was in on a break-even trade. All right, and I said, you know what? I have nothing to lose. I'm just gonna let the trade go as long as it's on a break-even stop loss. I knew the markets were going up because I've been analyzing the dirty, and I didn't take out my trade. And then I finally opened my MetaTrader once I was done with the top down, and I was up by 30K. 30K, you guys. I can't thank cash enough. It's always it's the best feeling to get in on a risk-free position and end up banking that much. Trust me, there's no better feeling than that. How high do spreads go? It depends on your broker, man. They can be really, really dirty when it comes to this stuff. Crammed all of this for a long time and we have it for free. Damn, yeah, man. You guys have it all for free, okay? All right, so the indecision is starting to kick in on gold. What I am gonna do, guys, is just buy gold. I'm gonna have the DXY, okay? I'm not gonna be doing GU or anything of that sort. Not today, all right? But I would like to have the DXY so we can see the possible correlations with gold and the DXY. All right, I'm not gonna do a top down on the DXY. We have these side by side, so maybe it can help us understand the movement of gold a little more. What are you guys going to be trading for NFP today? What are we looking at, guys? Are we looking at gold? Are we looking at the indices? I have my eye on the indices. There you go. Goldie, US 30, gold, indices, gold, gold. Okay. It's mixed today. But let's see. Let's see. We've got about 6 more minutes to news, okay? Is anyone in any sort of trades? Guys, listen, if y'all are currently in trades, maybe it's time to consider liquidating. All right, literally. Liquidate your positions because you may or may not get a move. And if these markets go against you, you don't want to be in any sort of bigger positions, okay? It can completely wreck your account irrespective of whether you're on a funded or you're on an individual or whatever it is, right? And if these markets go against you on the open, it can completely go against you. Give me a quick second, you guys. Okay, guys, gold's extremely choppy right now, which shows me that we're gonna have a move, and soon. All right, and if you guys don't feel comfortable trading that first candle, y'all don't have to. I mean it, okay? Y'all don't have to. The ones that are more advanced, you guys know it. You guys are trading the impulses with me. You're doing all of that good stuff. But for the ones that are new on here, just watch, man. Just wait for that first candle. Let the party begin. Let them spill the beans, create the ruckus, do whatever you want to call it. Let them do their thing, and then you can always catch the second candle, okay? All right, you guys. Based off of price action, okay? Again, please remember, this is this may or may not happen. Okay, these markets are not in our control. You guys know that very, very well. Okay, based off of price action, I like the sells coming down here. I do. Here, here. I do. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. All right, but NFP, this could completely reverse and go up. So even though the bigger trend would maybe want to be bullish, would maybe want to be bearish, we could have a nice bullish kick. We could have a nice bullish move before any of that happens. So just because I say this, it doesn't mean you guys start hitting sell now. No. All right. Watch for price to do its thing. And again, price action is not always going to be respected, right? Especially when there's that much of volume that's pushing into these markets on the red folders release. Okay. So let's see. Let's see how they want to play it. Let's see how they want to do it. But I, myself, am going to be having some orders set up, all right? So you guys on the fundeds, please, please, please be careful if you're setting up orders. You'll know how real slippage is in these markets, okay? So you want to definitely be careful with that. I'm on an individual account. I don't have those many issues. My orders usually get executed slightly better. And yeah, that's that, okay? So we could look at maybe something like that, maybe something like that. Now, that's what I like, all right? But these markets don't move according to me. That being said, we could come down, pick up demand, and boom, just push up, make a nice double bottom, and just boom, 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 push to the upside, okay? So if you do want to be getting in on orders, I would recommend you guys, the ones that haven't done this, just use feelers, use 0.01s, use whatever you have to, really teeny tiny positions, okay? And test it out. And for the ones that are more advanced, you guys know what to do in such a situation. So just wait, watch, and jump in, all right? Marius? Yes, correct, Marius. I am not, also for my stops are only going to be for the sells. I'm not going to have any sort of buy stops sitting in these markets, okay? That's not the way I trade. I only and only use orders with my market sentiment, and that's about it, all right? Because these markets, they have their way of wrecking you completely. If you're going to be triggered in on both ways, you'll be a victim to slippage and really bad spreads and all of that good stuff. Don't get into it, all right? I have my bias, so I'm going to stick with the order only for my bias. If not, it is what it is. I'll wait for the buys to kick in whenever they do want to kick in, all right? For gold, maybe that looks nice. Okay. Cool. We have about 45 seconds to go. Please, please, please be careful, you guys. I'm requesting y'all, all of y'all, do not be stupid for NFP, especially if you guys are on live accounts, okay? If y'all are on demos, you'll want to be practicing. Listen, for the ones on the lives, y'all don't feel confident enough, I recommend you switch over to a demo now. You've got the chance to do it, do it. All right, I'm going to get in on a little bit of a feeler, you guys. I already have my order set up. I'm going to get in on a little bit of a feeler, stop loss all the way up there. And that's only for my feeler, right? If I get triggered, I get triggered. It is what it is. This is NFP. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Okay. I got triggered in, and I'm running by 15 grand, 14 grand. I'm changing this to break even right now. 16,000, 145, 14.8, okay, there you go. I'm running by 11 grand right now, you guys. You know what? I'm pulling this out because I'm not going to be greedy. I'm taking out 80% of my position. Oh my, look at that wick, all right? I just pulled out 6.5 grand, you guys. 8,000. I just closed 8,100 on that dirty, nasty candle. Who caught that with me, you guys? Who caught that with me? That was intense. Who caught that with me? Boom, and now they're going bullish. We caught the liquidity grab. Let it happen. I told you guys we filled this. Now let's see where the buys want to kick in. What did gold do? Gold went bearish. Look at that. Liquidity grab again, okay? The DXY went bullish. Gold went bearish. Give me a second, you guys. My camera is being weird. All right, did any of you guys catch that? Did any of you guys get that with me? I liquidated 8 grand on on Nasdaq. Why did you lose 5K on US 30, buddy? Sorry, you guys, give me a second. My camera was just having a little bit of an issue. I'm done, though, man. Beautiful move. Just been fucked by slippage. At least it was a small lot. Listen, I told you guys, alright? Slippage, these things are bound to happen. They're bound to happen, okay? But if you're in with a good broker, if you're not on a prop firm account, these things are not going to play too much of a role. Okay, so that was the liquidity. Indecision with the US 30. I'm going to send out my position to you guys. I'm going to ask Cash to send it out to you guys. What a freaking move. Literally, I said, let's go. I blinked. I saw that fat ass candle and boom, it pushed down. I got triggered. I was in. I caught. I'll tell you how big of a stop loss spread I caught. I caught a 20 pip spread on Nasdaq, and I closed my position for about 18 pips. I closed my position for 18 pips with a 20 pip spread, which means I caught close to about 40 pips on this candle. Yeah, that's what I thought I was going to do. I told you guys, lucky that I'm setting it to break even, but I'm like, no, this can reverse too quickly. I'm not going to be greedy. I just closed the position. I did not set anything to break even. I literally just took my profits. And look at that. Now they're still starting to push. If we start to hit this level, we're going to create lower lows. Wow. Gold went bearish, you guys. Bearish, okay? I told you guys I had my eyes on Nasdaq, man. Nasdaq was it. Nasdaq looked good. Did anyone get in on anything, be it feelers, be it whatever, but did any of you guys get in on any of these trades? Nicely done. Thank you, Susie Q. Let's bank some pips. Yes, sir. We just did. We just did. No one else? Really? None of you guys traded this? Okay, look at that. US 30, wait for the first candle, 53 seconds to go. Don't FOMO in. All right, look at Nasdaq, pushing, pushing, pushing. Wait for a candle to close, you guys. I'm just telling y'all, that's a break of structure. We're aware of that. We know that. Let's wait for price to close up and above there, okay? Last 30 seconds, they could completely just push this down. Just lost 20 because my TP hasn't worked. That's called slippage, buddy. That's how these markets are. Got to be fast enough to take your thing. We're scalping, right? You've got to be fast to be in, out, take what's yours, and literally just move from there. 15 seconds to go, okay? Let's see if they want to close up. 10 seconds. Come on, close within the box, man. Give us the buys. Give us the buys. Let's do it. There you go. Below the box, I have a feeling some chop is going to enter in now. Nonetheless, we break that high, and it still looks good, okay? We're definitely going to try and create a higher high if we do break that high on the dirty. Sorry, babe? Gold super dirty. Welcome to NFP, you guys. Look at the DXY. Look at the goddamn DXY. Unreal. Dirty W, congratulations. Was late to the party, JJ. Well, it's still on, man. It's still on. I'm happy, you guys. I am okay to not even take any more trades. Literally, babe, can you send my position out to the group? Yeah, I'm sending it to you right now. I'm just sending my position. Today's a good day. Today's a really, really, really good day. Okay, these are my trades from today. Mrs. Cash FX, if you could please send that across. Okay, Cash is gonna send out my position to you guys. Check it out. Beautiful day today for me, and all in the blues, all lovely, big numbers. I love it. I love it. All right, I can't be complaining. Sending my positions right here. Cash just sent it across. The US 30 buy that you see is from Cash's session on London, and the Nasdaq sell was NFP just now. Solid day, man. Solid day. I can't complain, okay? I love it. W, good stuff, buddy. Okay, what do they want to do now? You could still consider this a retest, okay? Half this candle, maybe we retest down to the 15, start to push back up, but I am seeing rejection kick in, which is nice. Look at that. Nasty, maybe going for a wick fill. It's trying to go over bot? Okay, so Cash says that on the higher time frame, we're trying to go over bot. 5K plus on gold. Congratulations, buddy. This is what we do here at Forex, man. This is literally what we do here every single day. NFP, no NFP, twice a day, you guys. For London market open, for New York market open. We're here for you guys every single day for free. We don't charge you guys nothing for these sessions. We work our asses off to be here, and we do this for free. It's unreal to even think about it. Now that I'm saying it, it's hitting me. But it is what it is, all right? We're building our army of millionaires over here, and sacrifices are to be made, all right? But nothing's in vain because it's all for you guys, and you guys are the army of millionaires, okay? So we've got this. This is so awesome. Thanks, Graham. Thanks, Cash. You're welcome, buddy. Gold up was big. Yes. Yes, 100%, man. Close your shots on gold. Just based off of price action, this was the move that we were supposed to be looking for. That being said, they could still sell off, but I don't know if you want to be selling that point, you know? Just close your positions, wait for another move to kick in, wait for the retracements and the buys to kick in right there. These all, as of right now, to me are looking like liquidity grabs. Nasty will push down. I believe so. I believe so, okay? But again, we've got to see. I believe Nasdaq could be bearish, yes. All right, we're getting into some chop now, you guys. We're getting into some, a little bit of chop. I want to see how many of you guys made money. Let's throw in some W's in the chat, okay? Wild, wild day. But this is how it is. All right, trading, red folders is a completely different art altogether, you guys. Completely different art altogether. Let's see W's in the chat. How many of you guys caught some? US 30 reversal. Buddy, lucky in a time like for news, yes. I didn't do that as well, right? If I wouldn't have closed, I would have probably gotten caught on this as well, right? When I told you, I was up by about 12, 13 grand at one point, and then by the time it started reversing, I was like, it's going to take too much time to actually set it to BE, so I'm like, screw it, I'm just going to close it, and I closed it at 8.5. Alex W, USA reversal, W, Justpreet L, what do you have an L on? Lost 20 pips because my TP hasn't worked. But you can't, when there's news, you need to expect you can't expect your broker to do the right thing to you. when there's news, take control of your own account, man. Hit buy, hit sell, don't over leverage your account, do it yourself. If you're going to be getting in on orders and all of that good stuff, that's okay. Orders are fine if you know how to trade them. But don't rely on your stop losses being triggered, on your take profits being triggered, on any of that sort being triggered, because slippage is real, all right? And when news kicks in, that's when they do it. Literally, right? I mean, if I had a hard take profit and a hard stop loss, there's no way I would have made 8 grand on this. You know what I'm saying? So it's just you've got to take responsibility for your own of your own account at the end of the day. Alpha demo, cheers, buddy. Okay, let's see if they want to push. Let's see if they want to push. I'm not going to stay on for too much longer, you guys. Another couple of minutes and I'm going to call it, okay? I've had a very, very solid day. I'm not going to be jeopardizing anything. Made 65 on gold. I'm a beginner, by the way. That's beautiful, brother. Congratulations, man. Listen, the amount of money doesn't matter. Trust me when I say this, all right? I've said this from day one. You could make $1, you could make 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. You could literally even just paper trade. It doesn't matter. But as long as you pick up value, as long as you crack the art of the entries and exits and just trading these markets the right way, all you need to do is adjust your money management and your profits are automatically exponentially higher, right? So don't worry about the money that you're making. Don't worry about the money that someone else is making. What you do need to worry about, however, is how it is that you're getting in and out of these trades, okay? But congratulations, man. That's a milestone. $65 as a beginner. Lovely. Good stuff. Cram, hit us with the question of the day. Yes, I will, buddy. Just give me a quick minute, and I'm going to do it, all right? Just want to see how this reacts in and around here. Okay, I just want to see what we're going to do from here. It's too oversold for my liking. They're pushing, man. They're pushing. Seems like a lot of new people on the stream use their own strategy. I have a good feeling they're the same ones posting L while we bank. Yep, probably, bro. It's all good though, man. To each their own. Okay, come on, US 30. New candle opened up. Boom. Okay. Whilst I monitor this for you guys, let's do the question of the day, okay? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Boom. Okay, so someone asked me, what inspired you to pursue a career in trading? I love this question. Okay, it's simple, right? You guys know this already, the ones that have been on the sessions with me. I come from an absolute zero financial background. By profession, by education, by passion, I am a filmmaker. I'm an actor. I always have been in front of the camera. I've always done that. But the truth is, however good you are at whatever you're passionate about, it's not necessary that it pays you, right? I never thought growing up that I'm going to become a Forex trader. I don't even know what Forex trading was, to be honest. In fact, I remember my sister had once bought me, this was back when I was like, I think 16 or 18. She'd bought me one of those online courses um, um, just to learn technical analysis. I had the course sit on my email for an entire year, and I just literally didn't even touch it. And before I knew it, it had expired on me, right? So I never thought that I was going to be a Forex trader. I never thought that I was going to be a trader. But with time, I realized that passion doesn't pay, right? I've been working in our industry. When I say industry, I'm talking about our film industry. I've been in it for the past about 12 years now. I've done quite a bit of work. Um, but the kind of money that I got made me feel undervalued, and it made me feel like, what am I really doing here? Thankfully, my stars aligned when I was about 22, and things really, really changed for me. I came across just a couple of videos on YouTube, right? I saw these videos. I was like, this is interesting. Maybe it's something that I can get into. I got into it. I tried gambling it for the first couple of weeks, and it didn't end well for me, right? Good thing I was on a demo back then as well. But I was then fortunate enough to meet a couple of people that came along my life, the ones that I worked on the way we trade these markets with. My wife joined me, and the rest is history. So I truly don't believe that Forex trading was something that I intended on doing, but it's most certainly something that came into my life, and for good reason, and it freaking changed our lives, okay? I'm by no means the smartest guy in this room. I mean it, all right? I'm by no means the smartest guy that you're going to meet, and I truly, truly believe if I can crack this, anyone can. All right, we were able to do this. I got into this 7 years back, had the hardest 2 years. Cash, my wife, joined in 2 years after me, came in, and when we started to do it together, that's when things started to click. We came up with the Forex strategy. We came up with our own way of reading price action. And what are we doing now? We're building the biggest freaking trading group out there, all right? So to answer the question, and I'm sorry these have to be anonymous, I can't really name who has sent this to me, but to answer the question, it just came to me, you guys. It just came to me, and it changed my goddamn life, and I'm ever so grateful for it. Every single day, man. Every single day, I thank the universe. I thank the gods, whatever it is. I thank life because Forex came into it. Semi questions. Yes. Yes, guys. Look at gold tanking. Right. If you guys want to be, if y'all want me to answer your questions, if y'all want Cash to answer your questions and give you guys a shout out as well, we'll be more than happy to do that. Just send Millzone the questions. All right. We'll fill them in. We'll put them in. And listen, we're trying everything we can to inspire you guys just by a little. All right. So if that's going to be sharing our own life story, am I muted? Am I muted, you guys? Check, check, check. Mic check. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Cool. So, like I was saying, if we have the smallest chance to motivate you guys, be it about our personal lives, be it about how we got into trading, be it about our strategy, be it about how we trade these markets, anything, message Millzone or just put it on the open chat, guys. I'm horrible at texting, okay? I kid you not. My business partners, Millzone and Yano, are business partners. Literally, they'll message me and I reply back after a couple of hours. I can only imagine how annoying that must be to them, but I mean it. I'm not a texter, I'm a talker. All right. So if you guys need me to ask y'all anything at all, if y'all need to ask us anything at all, make sure to just put it on open chat. We'll have the questions for you guys. And Cash and I, we come live every single day. We come live every single day for y'all. So we're here to answer your questions, okay? All right, give me a quick second. When do you think gold will reverse? Can't say, buddy, can't say. We were expecting bullish momentum to kick in, but clearly they've got liquidity to fill, right? So maybe this region, 68, 68 region. Let's see how it acts around there. If it breaks there, they're bleeding down even more, man. There's room to go. Okay, look at that though. Look, we're already at 15 on the RSI. Guys, also, please use the right risk management and the right money management, okay? I've been seeing a couple of success stories and all of that good stuff. You guys want to be careful, okay? That's not what we advertise at all. All right, so please, please, please don't be looking at crazy numbers and going mad, because that's not the way these markets are supposed to be traded, okay? Please, please, please don't over leverage your accounts, all right? I'm not sure if Ayan FX, I think that's his name, is on the stream, but that's hella over leveraging, man. That's that's a 100K account, and that's a lot of over leveraging happening. Okay, so please be careful. That's not something we advertise, you guys. All right, just putting it out there, letting y'all know. 0.9% today, lovely. Congratulations, Shelby. Now that's what we advertise, literally. That's what we advertise. Okay, make compound your profits up. All right, my 30K trade today is not on a 100K account. I just want you guys to remember that. All right, I'm not going to give you guys the number, but it's a lot bigger than 100K. Okay, so for me, a 30K trade on a much bigger account was also a risky trade, right? So please, you guys, please, please, just don't fall into. Okay. Yeah, just don't fall into that trap, okay? Please, guys. I'm sorry. It's just I feel responsible to let you guys know that the way we trade is not over leveraging, all right? And we're not that group that shows off the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris. We're not that group. So please, I reckon this person isn't even on the streams as of right now. They're just trying to get some attention, which is all good. But please, please be careful, okay? That's all I'm saying. Yeah, I mean, he's not on the stream for sure. And come on, guys. We need to be a little more realistic. This is everything we go against. The ones on the one-on-ones know it. Yeah. Milzone, you're funny. Take the time to learn it right the first time. Absolutely. Absolutely, buddy. Okay. I'm going to call it a session, you guys. This was awesome. Listen, I told you. Cram, what do you think should be the risk per trade for passing challenge and after passing it? 1%. So what I usually recommend is, Emily, again, it depends person to person, all right? It depends on how well you understand risk management. With the one-on-ones, what we work about, and again, when we get to your one-on-ones, we're definitely going to work on this. We're going to customize it for you. But I recommend people to have not just a stop loss per trade, but also a daily stop loss, all right? So you need to sort of know how you need, where your daily stop needs to be, and you also need to know how much you need to be risking per trade, and then you can sort of mix and match and work towards your daily stop, right? So I would recommend no more than 0.5% or 1% depending on your style of trading. That's per trade. Now, you could have a daily stop loss of 1% and take 4.25% trades, or you could have a daily stop loss of 1% and take 2.5 trades. You know what I'm saying? So we'll work those things out over the one-on-ones because it's customized for everyone differently. We first need to figure out your style of trading, but never, ever, ever risk more than 1% per trade, you guys. Straight up, all right? If I'm getting in with $500 a pip, that's based off of 1% of my account. Trust me when I say that. I'm going to have a hard stop loss for 1% because, like I keep saying, making money is not your primary objective in these markets. Please remember that. That's your secondary objective. What's primary is not losing your already existing capital. Okay? That's what's primary. Conserving your capital, saving your money, not losing what's yours. That's what you guys need to be focused on. Okay? Making money is secondary. You'll always make money as long as you have your account. Okay, guys? Are you expecting to write a trading book for education? No, buddy. As long as I'm just able to help some people make money through our live streams, I'm not looking to write no books. I'm not looking to do anything of that sort. I'm living a good life for myself, and I just want you guys to experience the same thing, okay? Books and cram don't go together. Absolutely. She's 100% right. I understand, but I also have extreme phobia with big numbers. Like when I was taking trades with 10K account with $50 stop loss, it was okay. But when I switched to 100K stop loss, it wasn't execute any trade. It takes some time. It takes some time. That's what it is. Okay. So again, once you get the hang of pips and lots, you'll be able to customize your risk management on the go for every trade. Mills, you cracked me up, buddy. I'm sure you've got this taken care of. Thank you guys so much. Listen, have a great weekend. Head in, enjoy, have a good time. We've had such a freaking successful week. I can't thank you guys enough for sticking around with us. We're here to always do this for you guys. Make sure this translates into success stories, all right? Even if you guys haven't made any money, if I were demo trading, if we're doing whatever, make sure to let the freaking world know what we're doing here for free for you guys, okay? Shelby, I got you, brother. I'm gonna get you covered, okay? And we'll talk with Space soon. You're always welcome for the stream, guys. You're most welcome, Karan. Welcome. I think you're new over here. Love having the Indian fam over. You guys are freaking awesome. You guys have a great freaking weekend. We're gonna come back stronger than ever for Monday for a beautiful new week in these markets. We're gonna make a shit ton of money, and we're going to do it the right way. Remember that, all right? We're going to teach you guys to not over-leverage your accounts. We're going to teach you guys to make money the right way. Success stories, Twitter posts, guys, make it happen for us. Thank you all so much. And like I always say, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? So if you haven't done your thing, make sure you do it now. Hop on with us. Learn, educate yourself, help others, give back to the community, and you'll see how these markets come and fall under your feet. I mean that. Everything will start to make sense when you stop chasing the money. Chase the knowledge, chase the art of trading, and I promise you, it's all going to work out just perfectly, okay? Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. I am Cram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, you guys. We're finally going into the weekend, even though I'm super busy and working, but I am excited. Have a great one, you guys. I'll see y'all on Monday. This is Forex Trading signing out. Cheers. Bye. Success stories, you guys. Let the goddamn world know who the army of millionaires are. I'll catch you guys soon. Take it easy. Bye.